Hey everyone, welcome back to Papa's Home, where today I want to talk about plumbing. I recently hired a plumber to replace almost all of my plumbing, and that project was a bit complicated. So in today's episode, I just want to do a high-level overview. I'll talk about the design and what types of parts I used. Then I'll release additional videos that goes into more detail about each part. So let's start at the beginning. The first thing we replaced was the water main. My city is my water utility provider. To tap into that, we ran a connection from the street that brings that water to the house. And that's really all a water main does. Brings water from the utility company to your house. The next thing it connects to is a pressure regulator. The water provided by the city comes at a very high water pressure. On some days it would range anywhere between 80 to 120 psi. That's way too much. So this device will keep the pressure below 60 psi. I also made the pipe white in this drawing to indicate that the pressure is regulated. Then it connects to my leak detector. If it detects a drop in pressure and a huge burst in water flow, it'll automatically turn the water off. Once I clear that issue, it'll turn the water back on. This will potentially save me thousands of dollars if I ever come across a water leak. Now I'm ready to add additional connections. And with that, I'm going to use a manifold. This is a hard water manifold. So far, the water coming to my house is unfiltered, which means it's got lots of minerals that plants like. And these connections are going to my sprinklers and my hose. And this is how the water will flow through the manifold. You'll also notice that the end of the manifold is capped, but we still need to connect to other devices. This next one is my water softener. Remember when I said that plants really like those hard water minerals? But within your house, that can cause a lot of buildup around the faucets and could leave water spots on your dishes or on your shower door. So for everything else in the house, that goes through the water softener. Once I have softened water, I connect it to the soft cold water manifold. This will provide soft water to everywhere else in the house. That includes the laundry, the dishwasher, showers, and the toilets. I'm changing the arrow to white to indicate that it's soft water. But when you think about it, showers, sinks, laundry, and the dishwasher all need hot water too. So that soft water will leave the manifold, connect to the water heater, and then connect to the soft, hot water manifold. This will provide hot water everywhere else in the house. And that's it. That's pretty much the high-level overview. I'm going to turn this into a playlist, and over the next couple weeks start releasing episodes that go into more detail about each of these components. I hope this video helped you understand the terminology. Maybe you're thinking about updating your plumbing. I recommend watching lots of videos like these so that when you're ready to talk to your plumber, you're ready to talk shop. Something that I want to call out is that I'm working on more and more of these videos. However, each of these projects are pretty expensive. To help with that, I created a Patreon where you can contribute to this channel. One of the things I want to get going is creating a new website on Squarespace. The plans are pretty affordable, but if you go to our Patreon, you can donate now. I hope to start sharing more pictures and videos that go into detail about each of these projects. That might include what parts I used, where to buy them, and some of my retrospective notes, things that I wish that I did differently. So stay tuned as we continue this series about plumbing. And as always, thanks for stopping by.